Right now, a video cue. Let's go to Catherine in Salt Lake City, Utah.
Good evening, Susie. I'm married with 2 young children. Our financial advisor signed us up for variable life insurance on my husband. We pay over $600 a month with a death benefit of $750,000. We've had it for 6 years and I've never felt comfortable about it, and I'm wondering what we should do.
What you should do, first of all, is get yourself a new financial advisor. That's number one. You know, Miss Orman here has a top 10 hate list of investments that she hates. And she hates them because they literally do absolutely nothing for you, and they do everything, in my opinion, for the financial salesperson that sold them to you. And variable life, universal life, whole life insurance, that's probably on the top of Miss Orman here's top hate list. So, the only type of life insurance that you should have, in my opinion, is term insurance. Insurance that's good for a specific period, a term, usually until your youngest child is 23 years of age. $650 a month for $750,000 of insurance. Do you know, with a 20-year level term policy, let's say you were in your 30s, you could do that for $50 a month. Not $650 a month, and then you could take that $600 and do what with it? Put it into a retirement account. Insurance was never meant to be a permanent need. It was only meant to be there during your younger years in case something happened before your assets built up. Here's what you need to do. I want you to get yourself a 20-year term insurance policy in place. Then cancel your other insurance. Never, ever, ever cancel insurance until the new one is in place. And like I said, get another financial advisor.